So the total cost of the gadgets that I'm gonna show you is 82,939.5. So there. And we are on our way to Glorietta. Kasi nasira yung phone ni Romeo. So we will try to see if kaya siyang i-repair. Pero if not, I guess we're buying a new phone.
Third floor, dun. Ano yung sa it's?
Sa ngayon po,
Pero mas mura eh. Nasa 4,299. Bakit?
Mine na yan. Turning phone. Hello! Okay, we're home. And back from an impromptu meeting. Okay, so the total cost of the gadgets that I'm gonna show you is 82,939.5. It's 0% installment if you use a certain credit card. Okay, moving on. So, before we go to the phone itself, meron siyang free, which is this one. This is the Samsung Galaxy Watch Classic. Watch 6 in black. It's 43mm. So, medyo malaki yung face niya, if you see it here. Hindi maganda siya. Hindi pa siya na-set up. Sealed pa siya. Trade-in value pala ng Samsung Flip 3 ni Romeo. When we computed it was 13,000. So, we did not take that option. But that option is available for everyone who's buying a phone in Samsung. They will discount the 13,000 to your total. Okay, so when you get the phone, they will put it in this little box. The price that I quoted a while ago included a 2-year warranty and Samsung Care na. Kaya siya medyo mas mahal. So, yeah. So, hopefully, this does not conk out before 2 years. Romeo got a green one. And then, he also bought a case already. Pero hindi namin kinuha sa store kasi 50% discount siya sa website. So, always check the website for online promos before buying it in store. Unless, mababa EQ nyo. Parang for me kasi mababa EQ ko eh. I usually already want it. Si Romeo mas okay yung niya dun. So, when you open the box, manipis lang siya eh. So, alam mo na wala talaga siyang laman. When you open the box, you have the phone. Ito, naka-on na siya. Actually, medyo nakaka-tempt ang It's tempting because ang ganda niya. Naka-setup na siya actually. Naka-setup na siya. And then, it's so cute.